Alright, hey guys, what's up? And today I just wanted to show you a little glitch that I found that actually allows you to duplicate items. So first of all, I'm just gonna head on over and take this Esben staff, and by the end of this video I will have duplicated this. So yeah, here you can see there's no other Esben staffs in my vault or anything. But alright, first of all you're gonna need a tier 3 guild hall. It should look something like this. I'll go over into this left room and shoot all 4 of these little targets, alright? Yeah, just kidding, that actually has nothing to do with it. You don't even need to be in your guild hall. That's where I'm going to do it though. Okay, so just go stand somewhere. I'm just going to stand here. And do Control-Alt-Delete, open your task manager, and look down into background processes and find the thing that says Adobe Flash Player. You're going to want to right click on that, and then click Properties, right there. Okay, so next, you're going to want to go down and look at this little location bar. Whoops. Just look at that location bar and just copy right there what it says. So Control C, open up this, and up there you're going to paste that in. So now I have that file open. You should see most of this stuff right here. So I'm going to open this Flash install thing. It's going to open up this. 1 second, I'm just going to resize it so it all fits on the screen. Alright, that should look good. Alright, so first what we're going to want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you're going to see right here, down, you're going to see all of this stuff with all these little numbers. First of all, we're going to want to click enter and start a new line right here. So the last one was 0021, so we're going to want to put this as 22. Then you see all of these other things above here, all these letters. They say I or W. Well, we're going to put in something else. We're going to put in an R. Alright, so just put in your R right there. And then there's all these other numbers up here. I'll show you what to type in. You want to do 00609 06099, sorry, yeah. And then after most of these, you'll see a little location thing right here. So I already have one copied in, or written down, but you guys can just copy what I have here. The file should be exactly the same for you. So C, Windows, SYS, WoW 64 / macromed / flash, or no, we're going to want to put in something else. We're going to create a new folder called Realm of the Mad God. Oh, sorry, no, that needs to be all capitalized, so put Realm of the Mad God in all caps. Alright, that's really important. It won't work if you don't put it in caps. And then we're going to just create a new folder for our little duping glitch. So I'm just going to call it duping. Okay, no, it's not a hack. Duping glitch. So you guys can just type in all that. Make sure you get it right. And then we're just going to want to, after we're done typing in everything, we need to scroll up to the top of this little text document. So just put in a couple lines at the beginning. Then there's some stuff that we're going to need to put in. Alright, so I just copied that off somewhere. You guys are going to have to just type that in, but you might not want to put it in yet because we need to make some edits. So first of all, right at the end, you saw that number. Now we're going to want to take that number that we put in down there, copy that, and then replace this final thing right here with that number. Now you see this little thing at the beginning here? You're going to want to change that too. So go back to the bottom, get the Realm of the Mad God file thing that we put in there, copy that, go back up to the top, and then replace that with realm of the mad god. So you guys can just type that in. And that should have linked these two little areas. So now when we run that file in there and attach it to the flash that runs realm of the mad god, then our duping thing will work. So I'm not going to save that yet because we might still need it. And next we're going to go to that file that we made in there, and you're going to see that it's not a file. It's not actually a file yet. We're going to want to make it that. So go back to that little flash thing, and then hit new file, and name it realm of the mad god, just like we did in that document. Then it won't let you create a new document, a new text document in there. So what I'm going to do is just go and create a new one in my desktop right here. Oops, new text document. Where is it? Sorry. And what do we name it? Duping glitch? Yeah. And then we're going to need to put that into our realm of the mad god folder. So let me open that up again. Ah, crap. One sec, I just got to copy the link to this again because I completely forgot what it was. There we go. Alright, go back there. Okay. So now I have opened my other file explorer. This file. I'm just going to drag it into here. It'll say we need administrator permissions, and we're going to click continue. Sorry if you can't see all of it. And there we go. Now the file is in there. And this is where we're going to put in the code for our duping glitch. So let me resize the screen for you. Now you can probably see it better. And let's see if we can save this as an HTML first. Go, just click save there. Oh, oops, that's not what I want to do. Alright, whatever, we'll do that part later. Let's first type in the code. So you're going to want to put in HTML, wait, no, never mind. We're going to want to do that later. First, we're going to want to put in the code what we want to duplicate. So weapon.staff of Esben should recognize this correctly. And then you're going to want to put equals 1. I mean, you could put a different number, but 1 will work best. Now put 1 minus 1 equals 0. Don't ask why we need to put that in there. So then type var, which stands for variable, then 0, that needs to be in quotation marks, equals null. Then type var again, null. Oops, I always forget the quotation marks. Okay, var, null. Gotta put that there too. There we go. So just put in var null equals 1. Alright, you'll see what this does in a second. And save that, just in case, because I'm prone to closing things by accident. Now, var minus equals samples dot weapon, oh my god, dot weapons dot realm of the mad god dot staff of Esben. Dot staff of Esben. Now this should take it to the file where like all of the weapons are stored from realm. Then put in those little curly brackets negative void. Star dot star at the end, no space, and then 7. Now we're just going to say on click. This will make it so that when we click the thing, the duplication process will work. So on click minus equals +1. So that'll create another of 1, and we've already said that 1 is a staff of Esben. But we're just gonna refresh it right there, just in case it doesn't work. So there. So when you'll see what this does in a second. And then click end sequence, and that will end this type of coding language. And then save that. Go back to Realm. So here I have the staff of Esben. Just drop it somewhere. Then do the weird little glitch where you drag it out and then walk off the bag so it gets stuck on the screen. Now pull it back, and the whole thing where like on click minus equals +1, when we click that staff of Esben, another one will spawn. Here we go. Oh my fucking god!